In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the WooCommerce plugin in WordPress. We'll walk through the entire process together, step by step. So by the end of this video, you'll have WooCommerce installed, activated, and you'll know exactly where to go next to start building your online store. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the back-end area of your site where you manage everything. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the option labeled Plugins. Hover your mouse over it, and a small submenu will appear. From that submenu, click on Add Plugin. This is the section where you can browse, search for, and install new features for your WordPress site. On the Add Plugins page, you'll see a search bar, usually at the top right. Click into that search bar and type WooCommerce, then press Enter on your keyboard. WordPress will search the plugin directory and show you all related results. Look for the official WooCommerce plugin in the results. It should clearly say WooCommerce as the name and list the developer as the official WooCommerce team. It's always important to check that you're installing the correct plugin, especially for something as central as your online store. Once you've found the right one, click it to open the plugin details. On the right-hand side of that screen, you'll see a button that says Install or Install Now. Click that button and WordPress will start downloading and installing WooCommerce for you. This might take a few moments depending on your hosting speed. When the installation finishes, that same button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate. Activating the plugin turns it on and makes it available inside your site. After activation, WordPress will take you back to the list of your installed plugins where you'll see WooCommerce listed among your active plugins. Now, take another look at the left sidebar of your WordPress dashboard. You should see a new menu item labeled WooCommerce. Click on that and it will open the WooCommerce dashboard. Here, WooCommerce will guide you through key setup tasks like adding your first products, setting up payment methods, customizing the look of your store, configuring sales tax, adding a domain if needed, and finally preparing to launch your store. Under the WooCommerce menu, you'll also notice several sub-menus: Home, Orders, Customers, Coupons, Reports, Settings, Status, and Extensions. Each of these sections helps you manage a different part of your store. For example, Orders is where you'll track incoming purchases. Customers shows information about your buyers, Coupons lets you create discount codes, and Reports gives you an overview of your sales performance. Settings is where you configure things like currency, shipping, and payments, while Status is useful for troubleshooting if something goes wrong. Extensions is where you can explore additional add-ons to extend WooCommerce's features. Feel free to click through each of these sections and familiarize yourself with the options. You don't need to configure everything at once, but having an idea of where things live will make it much easier as you continue building and managing your online store.